Alright, welcome back everybody to Casey's Crazy Ideas. Today we are working on our Blue Max chainsaw. So, here it is. So from all that tree cutting that I have videos being posted up of, time to, clean it up. Chain's getting kind of dull. I'm going to switch out the bar. I got to grind the rakers down because it's not pulling into the wood hard enough. I was finding myself having to help it a little more than I should. It's not going to show up on camera, but it was cutting good, but it could be pulling itself in better. I don't want too much where it's too aggressive, but it should be enough to where I don't have to work that hard. Some of us think that the biters here, I'm not supposed to have to use those as helpers. Like I said, it does cut well. I didn't have any problems, but it needs some attention. So we're going to clean it up, switch out the bar to the other bar here. It's a newer bar. Put another chain on it. I like keeping my chains wearing evenly across all of them, so I don't just have one chain doing all the work. And that's what we're going to do. So for starters, I'm going to take the bar and chain off here because it's just set up enough. And we'll clean this off, we'll put the new bar and chain on, and then we'll play with the chain itself. We cut I think it was almost 9 trees on one chain. I diced up 3 of them. Get all this crap out of there. Using the one to dice that up. One with this. So my first tool is a blowgun. And by the way, I did get the carburetor for that snow blower, so you'll be seeing that video in the next few days. So we're just gonna give it, blow it off here. Some just put their saws away and they don't do anything to them. I can't do that. It doesn't pay to put your saw away dirty, filthy, and dull chains, because you never know when you're going to need it and you're going to wish you did. So it's going to blow out the air filter and all that crap. We'll do that on the floor. Nice and clean for the most part. I just do a quick inspection, make sure all the switches work, throttles, show if the breakers or the guide things here aren't loose. Make sure my clutch, make sure my teeth are okay inside. Just common checks on all this stuff. So, it is a Blue Max. Just in case anybody wants to know. We're just going to have to go cutting again here probably next Sunday. We got a lot more trees to cut, brush to cut up and cut down. So we got a lot more to go. I can use this off for a long time, you might want to drain out the fuel. It's an 18-inch bar I'm putting on. Let's go up to 20. Put on the right direction. I have put a chain on backwards. It doesn't work very well. It doesn't really cut at all when you put the chain on backwards, so make sure you put it in the right direction. I only did that once. I haven't done it since. Okay, and then next piece is we gotta blow all this crap out. Granted, if you use your chainsaw a lot, it's going to be hard to keep everything clean, but I don't use it terribly often, but often enough. Plus, I just like a good clean chainsaw ready to run. Everybody's got their own thing. I don't get very nitty-gritty right now just because it's not getting put away. So if I were to put this up for a few months, then bar oil gets drained out, the gas gets drained out and ran out, gets a good cleaning. That's just how I do it. I don't know, is this? This is the 20 or the 18 we were using? No, it was the 18 we ran. I only have one 20-inch bar and two chains, so I don't use my 20-inch bar much until I get a spare. Because quite frankly, the 20-inch bars are, it costs a lot more to replace. And I just don't always need a 20-inch bar to cut all the crap that we cut. And yesterday was borderline. We probably could have put it on, but I had plenty of bar. I was able to go all the way through the tree in one shot. Everybody's got their own version where they like their chain tightness, so I like mine to have a little bit of a spring to it. Plus, I wanted to make sure that my brake still works, which it does. So now we're on to the bar, which basically just wipe it all down, blow it off, get the crud out of the cracks, grease it, so it has in this sprocket right here, and maybe file the edges down where the chain rides right in through here. And that's pretty much it for the bar. I know it's straight because it's still cutting straight. Try to avoid getting the crap in your eyes. I just take a hand file and I just and there's a little grease sitting right here. One on each side. And you just spin it. And then the fun part. I can fix this chain up. So, see you guys back in a I gotta readjust it. I sharpened somebody else's chainsaw previously. I'll probably sharpen this one more time after this. Thinking about going back to hand filing. I might even touch this up after I'm done with this. The thing I don't like how it's not going in on a hook deep enough. A couple of teeth got hit apparently. Must have been some metal in that wood or something. Yeah, we turn it around and do it the other way. I'm cutting down the gullet. I'm gonna bring you guys back in. Alright, so I didn't record me grinding the rakers down because quite frankly my camera won't pick it up. It's like I'm like right in front of my lens to even show you this. But these little guys right there, I ground them all down. I went a little more aggressive this time, hoping that it'll fight a little harder but not rip my arm off. And then I made sure that I was hooking up the chain, that I was getting the gullet out of there, which is in that hole. So we'll see how it runs again. It looks pretty good. I mean, I could probably take the round file and go in here and I could really smooth this stuff out. You know, really get that hole cleaned up in there. But this chain's got one sharpening left in it. I'm not going to push my luck. You know, that hook should be more aggressive. So I don't know, we'll see. I might still try and do it. But I just figured I'd do a quick video, again, of me chainsaw, cleaning, sharpening, things like that. No professional, just enough. I know enough to get what I need to do done for wood cutting. Never had an issue. I always get what I need done cut with usually one, maybe two chains. So just figured I'd share. So that's all for this video. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.